Atlas Copco, a world leader in compressor solutions, has developed new models of high-quality oil-free compressors for high pressure. Today, the ZD compressor is available in a smaller capacity range in two versions, water-cooled and air-cooled. Let's see how this innovative solution can meet your requirements. Hello, Mr. Martin, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
So, you're looking for a solution for your high-pressure applications?
Yes, that's why I'm here, in fact.
And what are your criteria?
First, I absolutely need clean air, completely oil-free. Food safety for my customers is crucial, and I don't want to spend hours cleaning my installation if there's an incident with an oil filter.
No problem, Mr. Martin. ZD's certified by the TÜV authorities for ISO Class 0 standard, and that guarantees the best possible quality of air. It means absolute safety.
And quick and easy installation. How do you install it?
Well, ZD can be installed in less than a day, right on the floor, no specific foundations. It's plug and play, no hidden surprises. And this is even more striking when it comes to our ZD air-cooled models. Come on, Mr. Martin, have a look. This is our air-cooled ZD. This version is available in the smaller capacity range up to 1,200 cubic meters per hour. Installation's straightforward. No external cooling circuit needs to be installed on the cooling tower. It's much simpler and quicker. It's a win-win situation. You save on investment and maintenance, as well as water treatment and consumption.
So it's good for my budget and good for the planet.
True. This is a fantastic machine. And in addition, there's a soundproofing canopy and a very low level of vibrations. ZD's extremely silent. And that means you can install the ZD near your blow molding machines. You won't need a remote compressor room anymore. And that saves on pressure drops.
Great. But let's get back to the main thing, energy.
Well, here you have a 4-stage compressor, and that's the best configuration in terms of energy savings. Let's take a closer look, shall we? We have a screw compressor in the first 2 stages, highly energy efficient. It's the best technology for medium pressures up to 10 bars. And here we have a dryer. It uses almost no energy, and this is of utmost importance, it delivers dry air to the booster. Let's see the booster. It's a reciprocating piston booster. It's the most efficient technology for high pressures. And as we've seen, thanks to the dryer located at the screw outlet, this booster's without condensates. You only compress dry air and not air saturated with water. You save a lot of energy. So, Mr. Martin, what do you think?
Well, you've perfectly understood our needs, but now let's talk figures, shall we?
Well, compared to a classic atmospheric compressor, we've measured 17% of energy saving in favor of ZD in its fixed-speed version and 35% energy saving in favor of ZD variable speed drive.
Well, variable speed drive I already know about, but tell me more about the ZD variable speed drive.
With the ZD compressor, it's all variable speed drive, screw compressor, dryer and booster. The variation spans very wide, between 40 and 100% of capacity, exceptional compared to other machines on the market, maximum energy saving. And with variable speed drive, the output pressure is also constant over a wide capacity range. There's no current peak at startup, and you can avoid penalties from utility companies. I can make a complete simulation of your energy savings if you like.
Okay, I'm convinced. But in addition to variable flow, I also need to adapt my process to different pressures according to the types of bottle to be manufactured. What can you propose?
Come over to the compressor, Mr. Martin. I'll show you. Here's the electronicon, the monitoring system. You can manually adjust the pressure between 25 and 40 bar, so you can easily cut electrical consumption by between 5 and 8%. And with the ZD, the dew point's always correct and stable. As you know, the booster's condensate-free, so you can modify the pressure with no risk. A 40-bar dryer wouldn't be as efficient in drying a huge volume of 30-bar air.
Okay, but if I'm going to optimize my installation, I'm going to need some help from a real partner.
Mr. Martin, compression is the core of our business. Compressed air is a vital fluid, like water or electrical power. Atlas Copco really takes your future projects into account. We can make an audit of your installation to find the right solution that suits your requirements. For example, you can take advantage of the flexibility of the ZD and make a lot of savings by optimizing your installation. Let's take 2 examples. First one, with a minimum of adaptation, you can manage your low pressure and high pressure networks separately. Just install a screw compressor with a bigger flow, and then you can supply your low pressure auxiliaries with no need for an additional compressor. Second example. If your blow molding machine is equipped with an air recovery system, you can re-inject the air back into the booster. That saves a lot of money. In that case, we always make a simulation of your savings.
Okay, what about maintenance?
Well, first let's look at the assets of this ZD then. First, there's reliability. ZD's built to last. You have an extremely reliable screw compressor, well known for requiring little maintenance. And then you have a booster which is condensate-free. You no longer have high-pressure leakages at draining points or noise, and no condensates at startup. Then there's accessibility. There are no high maintenance points, so ZD maintenance is easy, and there's no risk for the operators. Easy management's another asset. The ZD control system informs you in your own language of the maintenance operations to be done. The system can be connected to a remote computer. Then, service. All the ZD parts are genuine and available at short notice. We can propose adapted service contracts and warranty extensions up to 5 years. Our energy audits are quite powerful tools. We can integrate older machines and make comprehensive energy audits with energy-saving solutions for your compressor room. A wide variety of services then, and that means we will always be there for you, Mr. Martin.
Thanks, that's very clear. Maybe we could talk about my new project.
With pleasure, Mr. Martin. Atlas Copco is present in 160 countries. There's always an Atlas Copco agency close to you for a real partnership. For innovative and sustainable solutions that increase your productivity while preserving our future.